How to fix Google Drive unable to turn on link sharing problem. Hello friends, welcome back to How to Fix It YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'll tell you that how you can fix Google Drive unable to turn on link sharing problem. Okay, so guys, whenever we try to turn on our link sharing on Google Drive, we face this kind of problem. Okay, so how you can solve this problem, I'm going to show you the solution because every day I use Google Drive. So guys, I know that I know the solution and this is going to work 100%. Okay, so just stay tuned with the video and follow all the solution which I'm going to show you in this video. And guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest update. So basically guys, why this problem occurs, okay, I'll tell you the reason. So many times this problem occurs because of the internet connectivity. Okay, and guys, if you use too much Google Drive, then also we face this kind of problem. So first, fix the internet connectivity. Okay, so for that you can just go to setting. We can switch up your networks. Okay, go to other networks and connection, and where is that setting? Okay, so guys, there is no setting. Okay, we have to go to dual sim in mobile networks. So I have selected the wrong setting. So now click on your sim, and after that what you have to do is you have to select your network connection. Okay, go to network mode and switch your network connection. You can select 3G and 4G. Okay, between that just switch up your network and then reset your network setting as well. Okay, to reset your network setting, you have to scroll down here and you have to go to system management, go to backup and reset, and after that you will have that option. Okay, you have to click here on reset network setting. So after the reset, after resetting your network setting, guys, your job is done. Okay, after that your problem will be solved, and guys, you will get your network. Okay, your network will be refreshed. And guys, if you are unable to find that setting, okay, then you have to click here on the search setting. So click here and type reset network setting, you will get it. Okay, just search reset network setting, you will get it. And after that you have to go back. Okay, this is just to fix your network connection. So first fix your network connection problem, and guys, make sure to update your Google Drive. Okay, so to update your Google Drive, go to your Play Store and search for Google Drive, update it, and after the update go to your setting and scroll down, go to application and permissions, go to app manager. So here you will get app manager, app management, or manage app. Okay, you will get like this. And then guys, you have to scroll down again, go to your drive, and then go to internal storage. After that you need to clear the data. Okay, so you have to clear the data, so don't worry guys, just clear up the data, and after that you have to restart your device. Okay, so after the restart of your device, go back to your drive, and then guys, problem will be solved. Okay, so every time you face this problem on Google Drive, then you can do this solution. Okay, just go for this solution, problem will be solved definitely, and guys, you won't face the problem again. Okay, that's it. So this is how you can fix Google Drive not able to turn on link sharing problem, or unable to turn on link sharing. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video will be definitely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.